What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna go to the car and install my blow-off valve because I got a new pipe for it finally. And yeah, it's just a NGR blow-off valve. They're actually pretty good. I mean, they're gritty knockoffs, but I've never had problems with them. But I'm pretty sure I linked my my limp mode issue to not having a blow-off valve. The stock bypass valve was leaking, so I deleted it. And in that same process, I mean, I didn't have any blow-off valve. What I'm thinking is happening is when the turbo surges, it goes back past the MAF, and it causes to send a signal to the ECU, or it maxes out the MAF, and which makes the ECU go into limp mode. So I'm gonna go install this guy and see what happens. This isn't too loud, but I ended up putting the blow-off valve right here. Man, the light is really bright, but it's right there. There was just a pipe there, but I removed the pipe and put the blow-off valve in its place, and it's usually working pretty good. So let's see if I can run the throttle here from down here. Hopefully that will fix my limp mode issue. So I'm gonna take it for a little drive and see how it does. So everything seems to be fine inside except for my wideband. I don't know if it's acting because it's so cold, or if maybe my sensor took a shit. It's acting weird. But yeah, I don't know what's up with that. But I got the kids in here. We're all strapped into the harness, sharing a seat. I'm not gonna go far or fast or anything like that. I just want to see how the car does with the blow-off valve. So driving, done a couple pulls, and it seems that blow-off valve did not fix my my limp mode issue, which is kind of infuriating. I do plan on going full standalone around the February time frame, but yeah, this is kind of upsetting. And for whatever reason, my wideband is still not reading correctly. I don't know. The blow-off valve works. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it very well, but it does work. Not really sure what's going on. So yeah, I really don't know why it's doing that. It keeps going into limp mode. I was hoping that it was just they didn't have a blow-off valve, but apparently it's not. Blow-off valve works fine. It's not sticking or anything like that, but it still wants to go into limp mode. And for some reason, this is the first time I've noticed this, but that wideband is just like not reading for nothing. I don't know if it's because it's cold out or if because the sensor went to shit. I don't really know. If you guys have any idea on that, let me know. But yeah, it's just I don't get it. Like it's clearly not. It's really not that lean. Like there's no way it's that lean. It wouldn't even be idling if it was that lean. And like obviously you hit the gas and shit get rich, but it just like blinks out. I don't get it. What the hell's going on? Blow-off valve sounds great, so that's awesome. I don't know, maybe my wideband went to shit. I mean, that wouldn't cause it to run shitty, but yeah, I mean, everything vacuums good. I don't know why that's doing that. But anyways, yeah, that's all for now. All right, guys, so it is the next day. I'm gonna end this video out here in a bit, but I did a little bit of research and I came to the conclusion that I may need to replace my pedal position sensor. I hear that some of the contacts go bad inside and it'll cause the car to go into limp mode. But I'm going to wait to do that. I'm going to check over some wiring and things, make sure everything's still good. And then if that doesn't fix it, since I don't really want to buy that part right now, I'm going to wait till I get my standalone. Maybe it's just an ECU issue also. There's several things it could be, but I'm going to get my standalone in a couple months. And yeah, if it doesn't get fixed by that, then I will go ahead and replace that pedal position sensor. But if you have any other possible opinions on what that could possibly be or why my sensor might be reading all crazy, other than it's just shot, let me know. But yeah, like this video, subscribe, head over to Patreon, 3 Motion Garage, and yeah, follow me so you guys can get some exclusive content. So, thank you again, and we will see you in the next video.